Hey guys, it's your girl Choreo here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am a physiotherapist, a dance and fitness instructor, and I'm also a phenomenal performer. Yes. So in this video, I am going to be doing some exercises for back pain, particularly for the person who is sedentary almost every day. First things first is a hip flexor stretch, and I'm going to get into what is known as a lunge type position. So all it is right here, and if for you this means that the leg is right in this area, then that's fine. If for you that means the heel is down on the floor, that's good too. That might be a little bit difficult though, because then you're getting an intense stretch in the calf versus, and it may distract you from the main thing, which is the hip flexor stretch, which is all the muscles right here that help to flex the hip up like that, right? And as you can imagine, when we're sitting down, we're constantly in that crooked position, and so these muscles will adapt. They are so adaptable. Thank you, babies. But sometimes we don't want them to adapt so quickly, and so we want to stretch them out by doing stretches like this. So you can either be right here, or if you are flexible enough, you can put the leg down, relax the ankle, and just lean forward. All right, 30 seconds, and I'm going to count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Opposite side. Same thing in 3, 2, and 1. So squaring those hips, make sure the hip bones are facing there so you're not off like that. So feel for your hip bones and make sure they're squared to that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One of the things that I didn't mention, guys, was if you can't manage to hold for 30 seconds, then don't worry about it. You can hold it for 15, 20 seconds, even 10 seconds if that's what you can physically manage. So now I'm going to go to my range of motion. So for you, it may be maintaining that upward lunge position. Otherwise, it may be going all the way down. Excellent. All right, just work within your range and be comfortably stretched. So we go. So you see my knee is moving towards over my toes, right? And then this leg, this thigh is coming closer and closer towards the floor. If you want, you can put the hands down like so. You can also put the elbows down if that's available to you. All right, so holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm just going to move over. Be gentle with your knees. Stretching down. All right, here we go. And 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right, final one on this side. So we did 3. We're doing 3 on each side. Cool, cool. So reaching forward. This time now, what I'm doing, I inch my legs open a little bit to the side, right? So it gives me a little bit more room to just drape my legs, my arms, drape my arms down and get my elbows down to the floor. All right, so here we go. And woo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right. So reminding you, all these exercises are to help to relieve back pain. If you are doing any of these exercises and it's worsening your back pain, it means that these movements are not for you. It would mean that you need to have a consultation with proper professionals to show you, so that they can assess to see what's happening. So, ready? Opening the legs slightly to the side like so. Bringing the elbows down, forearms down, holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right, so that's it for the hip flexor stretches. And now we're going to be doing a groin stretch. And the particular groin stretch that we're going to be doing is a frog pose. Now this frog pose can get pretty intense. So we're going to do 3 of them, and I'm going to be utilizing my very old cushions here, flat and symmetrical, please notice. So we're going to be going into a position that looks like so, with the hip at 90 degree, knees at 90 degree, ankles at 90 degree. If you're unable to get into those specifications, then do what is available to you. Now, let me bring this back a little bit. If you have watched my previous videos, I did a reverse swine video to our tutorial, and this is one of the stretches that we got into, right? So you just open the legs, so you're literally essentially on the inside of your knee, which is why I got these cushions to protect the inside of my knee, the skin in the inside of my knee. I don't want no carpet burns. You hear me? I tell you, me a hot gal I follow good when she go out a road. So y'all know I had to put a jiggle in. I've got a little pop. I need to pop my hip a little bit. So anyway, this here is our groin stretch, and we're doing it for 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna relax, do it again, relax, do it again. 3, 2, and all you're doing is anterior tilting the tailbone back. In Jamaica, we say cock the body back. And you can either choose to stay up here and allow gravity to do its thing, allow the hips to fall to the floor, or you can bring the forearms down, or you can just lie down in it, right? So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Push back gently. Yeah, like so. Stretching and ready, taking it down. And I'm still on my forearms, and I hold it here. Still tilting my tailbone back, okay? And holding. Breathe in, make sure you breathe, deep breath in and out, okay? And holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, relaxing. We're doing this again. So what you'll find is that well, I've been doing this stretch for a little bit, and so sometimes what will happen is I'll start off really tense and stiff, and then at one point through the exercise my body's just like, okay, I give up, and just starts to allow me to stretch out, right? So this tends to happen especially whenever like I'm fresh out of gym and the muscles become really stiffened. So this is another thing. So even if you don't have a sedentary lifestyle, but probably you go to the gym quite regularly, sometimes the muscles of the posterior chain of the body and the anterior chain as well. Posterior is just a fancy way of saying back. Anterior is front. You can get that so tense that you start to develop aches and pains because the body's no longer moving at its full range, and stretching can actually help, right? So that's another instance where these exercises will actually help you. We're going to do it again. We have one more 30-second holds. I think this is enough. I don't think I need to position any other way, right? So, but essentially, if I were to turn my back, this is what it is, right? It's like that, right? Okay, so I will not be doing the stretch in that direction because I know that there are persons who watch my videos for reasons other than exercising, and I'm not going to be the one to encourage that. Not today, not ever. So here I am. Here we go. Opening. Let me just make sure that this one is in position. Yeah. And we go in here and here. Okay. Holding now. I'm going to bring my chest down to the floor because I feel like I'm a lot more open now and I can manage to just bring myself down. All right. If you are still up, that's fine. Take your time, especially if this is the first time that you're doing this exercise. Holding for 30 seconds. "21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Pushing up. Okay. We have a hamstring stretch. And for the hamstring stretch, I'm going to start it first and foremost so we can get rid of these cushions now. I'm going to start my hamstring stretch as a partial stretch, lying on the back just like so. Lying on the back and pulling one leg into chest. Now I bend one knee, right, and this is a starting position, right? One knee remains like so in order to offset the pressure that's on the back that could cause even more aggravation of back pain. You can choose to do either one, whichever one you're comfortable with, which is either like so or like so. All right, so I'm going to do it this way. All right, so we're holding for 30 seconds or 15 seconds bent, then 15 seconds we stretch. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stretching up, and you can either be holding right at the knee, below the knee, above the knee, or the foot. Holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax it down. Other leg pulls in right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Extending and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right away, holding again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Extending, holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Opposite side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Extending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Final set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Opposite side. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Opposite. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And shake it out. And our final stretch for this here video is going to be a piriformis stretch. And quite simply, all you're going to be doing is leaving one leg flat, that's your base. The other leg is going to be across here, just like so. You're going to loop the hands under the standing leg, and you're just going to pull in towards you. So it's a piriformis stretch. So the muscle is called piriformis, and it's located around this region here. And you're just going to, when you pull, you'll feel the stretch in this area. All right. So we hold it. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Relax. Other leg. Cross it. Loop it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes. Other side. Pull it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And remember, you can modify these stretches to suit you. So the more you pull is the greater the intensity, right? So remember, again, there should be no pain, just a nice gentle stretch, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Switch. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, all right, good. So you can do these exercises 2 to 3 times per week. You can do the entire video, right? Again, if the pain is aggravated, you want to back off of these movements. It's not supposed to aggravate pain, it's supposed to relieve pain. If you're experiencing pain with any one of my videos, no matter which one it is, my advice to you is to seek out a physiatrist consult, look for a physiotherapist consult, depending on the region that you are. A physiotherapist could be the first person that you go to. In the Caribbean, I know you have to get a referral from like a doctor, a physiatrist, in order to see a physiotherapist. Otherwise, I think in the States, parts of the States, you can go to a physiotherapist first off. But it's very important to get assessed if you have persistent pains and nothing that you do at home is helping. No pain pills, nothing. It could be something far deeper, far more serious. You know what I mean? I don't want to get you nervous, but it's better to know than to not know and to continue doing things that are detrimental to your health. So thank you so much for watching. I am going to be also posting a video on back strengthening exercises, and I will definitely post a link. Well, subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post that link. All right. Thanks for watching. It's your girl Choreo. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.